My name is Angela Key. I'm the CTAE coordinator and administrator here at the Marion Barnes Career Center. Our focus areas here at the Marion E. Barnes Career Center is skilled trades. We have a construction program with carpentry, plumbing, electrical. We also have welding, HVAC, and then on the other side of the house, we have cosmetology, barbering, and nail tech. The Marion E. Barnes Career Center focus heavily on goals for students after they leave high school. We work hard for our students to ensure that they are prepared for employment, enlistment, and post-secondary education.
Hello, my name is Kathleen Smith. I go to RCTCM and I'm at the Marion Barnes Career Center. I am in the welding program. With Marion Barnes Center, I've made new friends and it's just been awesome. It's very accepting. And then with my program with Mr. Mack, he is a wonderful teacher and there's wonderful people like Angel who also help me. So when kids come here, I say that they would get a lot of help if they ask for help like I have. And it's a wonderful place and it's very accepting.
We're unique because we offer a hands-on approach for students to prepare for those skilled trades. Students earn industry-recognized credentials when they leave the Marion E. Barnes Career Center. They're able to go directly to work if they want to. These are the same credentials that anyone would receive in the community. Also, in the area of human services with cosmetology, nails, and barbering, those students go and they attain their licensure through the state licensing board. So these students are leaving here prepared for the workforce.
Hello, my name is Renji Harriet Woods. I go to Westside and I'm here for carpentry for Marion E. Barnes. I like it very much. I'm very interested in carpentry. I'm thinking on going to welding maybe next year for my time. Oh, I would recommend it to tons of people. I actually recommended it to one of my friends here and he loved the idea. He's also participating for carpentry for me here.
Students can be successful in our community, in our world, with spending time here at the Marion E. Barnes Career Center, learning these skilled trades because they can take care of you for the rest of your life.